Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Patreon Analytics in 2026. So if you want to understand your earnings, track growth, and see what content is actually working, this guide will break it down step by step. First, log into your Patreon account and go to your creator dashboard. Then click on the Analytics or Insights tab from the sidebar. Now you'll see your main overview. This includes total earnings, number of members, and monthly growth. These are your key performance indicators. Next, look at your member growth chart. This shows how many new members joined and how many left over time. It helps you understand your audience retention. Now check your post performance section. This tells you which posts are getting the most engagement and which ones your audience prefers. Here you can see where your money is coming from, different tiers, one-time payments, or bonuses. This helps you understand which content is most profitable. Finally, use these insights to improve your content strategy. Focus on what's performing well and adjust your posting schedule or tier benefits if needed, and that's it. Once you understand your analytics, it becomes much easier to grow your Patreon and make smarter decisions as a creator. Hey everyone, welcome.